In the heart of Vrindavan, a mischievous Krishna, adorned with a peacock feather and flute, embarks on a buttery escapade. A mischievous smile dances across Krishna's face as he stealthily infiltrates homes, his nimble fingers seeking the creamy treasure. Unbeknownst to the villagers, Krishna's playful pilfering adds a sweet melody to the symphony of daily life. In the heart of the village home, Krishna is caught red-handed.
Ever wondered how to turn your written story into a magical animation? In this video, I'll show you how I use ChatGPT to write a story and MagicLight AI to bring it to life, all in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, I started with ChatGPT. I gave it a simple prompt, like, a story of Krishna. He will generate a beautiful and engaging story script for me in seconds. Next, I took that story into MagicLight AI and select video size and style and paste my story here and click on Next. Now wait for a few minutes. He will ready our scenes. Now create your characters. You can also take from MagicLight. Here I am creating my own characters. So I go to ChatGPT and I type, "Give me prompt for Krishna," because this is my main character of the story. Now paste the prompt here. Now you have to upload an image of your character and their clothes, according to your story. Here I am using Google. And upload my image on MagicLight AI and filling the further detail. Now simply click on the Generate Image. See, he generate our first character. Likewise, I will generate my all characters. Now he created our all scenes. Now select your voice for story voiceover and simply click on Animate. Now your story is ready. Select Use Subtitles Style Otherwise. Click on No Subtitle. You can also add background music. Here is your story.
In the heart of Vrindavan, a mischievous Krishna, adorned with a peacock feather and flute, embarks on a buttery escapade. A mischievous smile dances across Krishna's face as he stealthily infiltrates homes, his nimble fingers seeking the creamy treasure. Unbeknownst to the villagers, Krishna's playful pilfering adds a sweet melody to the symphony of daily life. In the heart of the village home, Krishna is caught red-handed, his face smeared with golden butter, under the watchful, loving gaze of the gopis. The gopis, instead of scolding, exchange knowing glances, their eyes twinkling with a mixture of amusement and deep affection for the mischievous child. With gentle scolding, the gopis playfully chide, their voices filled with a love that embraces Krishna's every playful transgression. Krishna innocently retorts, "Nothing, mother, just a little taste," his eyes sparkling with mischief. The gopis lovingly advise, "Sharing with the monkeys and other children is very kind, but you must ask first, little one." Krishna's laughter fills the home as he shares the remaining butter with monkeys and children, spreading joy and warmth throughout the village. Beneath the ancient banyan, Krishna's serene melody weaves an enchanting spell, beckoning villagers with its divine harmony. His fingers dance across the flute, each note a mischievous whisper of joy, a lesson in love unbound. The divine play unfolds, his actions a dance that awakens hearts, teaching us to find joy in every prank.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.